Hi guys, welcome back. Those of you that are new, welcome. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this easy and delicious guacamole. Here are the ingredients. You're gonna need 2 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, a green lime, 3 avocados, a bunch of cilantro, salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get started. First, let's cut the 1/4 of the onion. We're going to chop it up into small little pieces. Now you're going to grab about a cup of water, and you're going to put all your diced onion into that water until you prepare the rest of the ingredients. That way, the onion is not as strong as it usually is. Next, we're going to grab our avocados and start peeling them and putting them all into a container. Next, we're going to grab a fork and smash it into big pieces so it can be thick. Now let's grab our red tomatoes and start chopping those up into small pieces as well. After those are chopped, let's pour them into the smashed avocados. And let's start cutting the cilantro after you do wash it. After we pour the cilantro into the avocado, let's do the same thing with the lemon. Let's squeeze the lemon juice inside the avocado and let's mix it all together. Now let's add the salt for taste and the pepper for taste. I usually add about a teaspoon each. And as you can see, it is still very chunky. It's great for dipping sauce or for a side, meat, or with rice. Now let's drain our onions and pour it inside the avocado and mix everything well together as well. And there you have it, guys. There is your avocado. It's nice and chunky It's extremely easy to make, very delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you tried it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!